Dala na yung pakpag.
Nice. Hindi puno. Loyal sa Wizz Air. Uniform. Hi, Ate Ella.
Should be played at high volume, preferably.
Ano yan? Employee benefits.
Pilay ka ba taga-rais? Parehas lang yung mga kuwan. Ginagawan.
Hi guys, we're off alone. Jordan.
حال إجلاء الطيران عن طريق الأمتعة ونايتي might be behind you. نرجو منكم.
Dear passengers, welcome to Aqaba, where the local time is 8:12.
Welcome to Aqaba.
Kamusta? Welcome to Jordan. Welcome to Jordan, Rose. Welcome to Jordan, kids.
Yes, welcome to Jordan. Welcome. Welcome to Jordan. Nice to meet you.
Tomorrow you will be and pick up the other.
Hi, Ate Ella. Hello. Buhok. Welcome to Aqaba, Jordan, guys. Current weather, not sure. Pero mainit, pero hindi siya tulad sa Dubai. Pero mahangin. So, sundo na tayo ng mga taxis.
Ano, 9:11 tayo, so
Yes,
333.
madam.
332.
أنا دليل السياحي. ها؟ دليل السياحي معي. على طول يا معلم.
Arabic ka. Assalamualaikum.
The house, Aziz, 5 minutes come. Okay?
We'll go now to the hotel.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Ito yung hotel natin. Tapos,
Go inside. This is the.
Hi, Aziz.
Nice to
finally.
Finally. Wow.
Nice to meet you. You are welcome. You are welcome. You today you stay here,
Yeah.
and tomorrow me I waiting you in Wadi Rum.
Okay.
Now me I go to the Ree because I have 2 person with me, and tomorrow I see you in Wadi Rum.
Okay.
Okay. And I see you in tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
we will give you something.
You also need to meet the other guys here.
Hindi na nagsasaad yung extra bed.
Yung AC kasi, te.
Ano need yung extra bed?
Yung AC ang problema.
Naka-on na ba?
Sumuko na yata. Sumuko.
Sabihan natin si Aziz.
Room tour. Yung view. Malapit sa beach. Grabe, ngayon ko lang na-realize na sobrang init. Pero nag-hot choco pa rin ako. So, mag-boat tour kami for 1 hour and then lunch. Mainit lang talaga. Hindi ko masusunog lang talaga ako ngayon. Carry bells naman. Bye-bye.
Nice, kasi may see-through.
Hi, Mr. Wali. White one?
هذا بس الشيخ زايد موسك.
Sheikh Zayed.
الشيخ زايد
Really?
Sheikh Zayed of United Arab.
UAE. So, natapos na yung boat tour. I think it's for 1 hour. Mga ganda kasi makikita mo yung mga tanawin. Yung border din ng Israel. Tanaw din siya. Lunch time! Gutom na mga people.
Stay high for a minute. Tongue tied, I don't wanna go home. You and I won't die, but I'm really not that. So used to chasing falling stars. Love's not supposed to
Bye,
be
girl.
paper thin. So if I stay here, don't rip me apart. I'm already scared to begin with.
Lipat?
Sorry if I overthink situations with you and me. TBH, I need CBD. TBH, I don't wanna leave. Baby, you're the MVP. Look so fine in a white one piece. Dream of you when I fall asleep. Dream of you when I RIP. So used to chasing falling stars. Love's not supposed to be paper thin. So if I stay here, don't rip me apart.
Hindi naman ako makareact kasi kumakanta pa siya.
Brother!
Pakaraoke siya.
Naku, dapat agahan natin. Para mahabol yung mga galaan.
Bandang country, hindi talaga siya bumalik. The last first time.
Ano pangalan ng beach na to?
South Beach.
South Beach.
Stay, don't rip me apart. I'm already scared to begin with. I can't keep my heart.
Mr. Walid, the souvenirs here are cheaper?
The souvenir cheaper in Amman.
Cheaper in Amman.
In Amman. And the Dead Sea product, makeup, mask,
Yeah.
this is made from the Dead Sea water.
Yeah.
In the Dead Sea, pay from the factory direct. Original 100 by 100 and good price. This is copy in the
Here?
silk.
They're selling?
Yes. This is copy made in I don't know, in China, in Jordan.
It's good for your face?
Ang daming
Copy.
gamit doon. Mga souvenir.
But the original makeup, mask, salt, mat, that's original from the Dead Sea direct, fresh.
Nice.
Sa kabila, ito yung maraming ilaw. Dito ba
Pero tanaw pa rin yun.
يعني لا تحدث مناورات عسكرية ليلى خلال الحرب لأن المناورات العسكرية خلال الحرب مكشوفة قد تكون هدفا لحزب الله أو لصواريخ الله.
Ang